Good morning. Thank you for calling Skyway Airlines. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a round-trip flight from Orlando to New York, please.
Certainly. May I have your travel dates and any time preferences?
I'm planning to leave on December 15th and return on December 20th. Morning departures are best for me.
Let me check availability for those dates in the morning. There's a flight departing Orlando at 7:30 a.m. and arriving in New York at 10:05 a.m. Would that work for you?
Yes, that sounds great. What are the options for the return flight on December 20th?
We have a return at 3:45 p.m. arriving in Orlando at 6:15 p.m. There are also earlier and later options if you prefer something different.
The 3:45 p.m. return is fine. Can you tell me the fare and what's included?
The round-trip fare is $320, which includes taxes and standard baggage allowance of one checked bag and one carry-on. Seat selection and extra bags would cost extra.
Okay, I don't want to give payment details on the phone for privacy. Can I pay online or at the airport?
Absolutely. I can hold the reservation for 24 hours and send a secure booking link to your email so you can pay online. Would you like me to do that?
Yes, please use this email example@example.com.
Got it. Before I finalize the hold, may I have your full name as it appears on your ID?
Sure, it's Alex Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. I'll reserve the flights on a temporary hold and email you the payment link and itinerary. Once payment is made, you'll receive an e-ticket. Would you like me to add seat preferences or meal requests now?
Please add an aisle seat if available, and I don't need any special meal. Just the regular option is fine.
Noted. Would you like to include your frequent flyer number or join our loyalty program? It offers points and occasional discounts.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
It's free to join. You earn 1 point for every mile flown, and points can be used for discounts, upgrades, or free flights later. I can include a sign-up link in your confirmation email if you'd like.
Please do. That would be great. Can I also check in online before my flight?
Yes, online check-in opens 24 hours before departure. You can select your seat, download your boarding pass, and even add extra luggage if needed.
That's convenient. What about baggage restrictions? Can I bring a small backpack and a carry-on?
Yes, that's allowed. Your carry-on can be up to 22 inches in size, and your backpack counts as your personal item. Just make sure the total weight doesn't exceed 10 kilograms.
Perfect. And what happens if I need to change my flight later?
Changes are possible depending on your fare type. There's usually a small fee plus any difference in fare. I'll include the details in your email confirmation so you can review them carefully.
That's good to know. One more thing. Can I add travel insurance through you?
Yes, we offer travel protection for $25. It covers flight cancellations, delays, and lost baggage. Would you like me to include it in your quote?
Yes, please. Better to be safe.
Excellent. I'll add that. Now to confirm, you're flying from Orlando to New York on December 15th, returning December 20th, with an aisle seat preference and one checked bag. You'll receive an email with the payment link, itinerary, and loyalty sign-up information.
That's right. Will I also get an invoice or receipt once I pay online?
Yes, once the payment is processed, the system automatically sends a receipt and e-ticket to your email within few minutes. You'll also receive a reminder 24 hours before your flight to check in online.
Great. That sounds easy.
My pleasure. Is there anything else I can help you with? Maybe hotel recommendations or airport transfers?
That's nice of you to ask. Do you offer shuttle services to the city?
Yes, I can include a link in your email as well.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've added that link. I've sent the itinerary and payment link to Example at example.com. Please check your inbox and spam folder in the next few minutes.
Okay, I'll look for it. Thank you so much for your patience and help today.
You're very welcome, Mr. Carter. Thank you for choosing Skyway Airlines. Have a wonderful day and a pleasant trip to New York.
Thanks again. Goodbye.